Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically fix your AMD not recording. So you're going to go to record and stream here, and you're going to select get started, or you can skip this as well. You're just going to also adjust the controls, either full screen or region, and then you're going to select the display. I'm going to select this one because this is where I usually record stuff. You can also adjust the microphone here, microphone, push to talk, show indicator, etc., etc. And then you can either select Control Shift C to select to open up the camera as well. And then you can start recording here. There's also media and capture here as well to record a video. And then you can record and then select enable to do that if you want to, or you can also select instant replay so that when you're like playing Valorant or something and you want to replay, press enable on that one as well. And I'm recording, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.